In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can save, invest, and make money on the Cowrywise app. Now, in case you don't know, Cowrywise is one of the top fintech companies in Nigeria where you can save, invest, and also make money on the app. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how exactly you can do that. And in case you don't know, we are talking about different apps to invest and make money in Nigeria. We've talked about different apps previously. If you want to check them out, you can check our previous videos or check the description of this video below. Now, today's video is for Cowrywise. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. Now, in case you don't have a Cowrywise account, just click on the first link in the description below to create an account on Cowrywise. And after you've done that, then come back and watch this video. Now, how do you go ahead and save, invest, make money on the app? Now, if you come right here, when you open the app, you have three different menus. You have the home page, you have the save page, and you have the investment page. Now, if you come here to the home page, this is where you can see your balance right here. So you'll be able to see the balance you have on the app right here. And if you come here, you see your NGN balance, that is the balance you have in your Naira investment. And if you scroll again, you see your USD balance, that is the balance you have in your USD investment right there. So once you've seen that, you come here to where it says you now have a stock trading account, buy some shares and become a shareholder. So in case you don't know, this is a new feature on the Cowrywise app where you can invest in stocks. I'll be talking about that later in this video. Now, if you scroll down, you see where it says add cash. So this is where you can directly add cash to some of your investments. So if you want to go ahead and add maybe money to some of your investments, you have some buttons right here that you can click to add money to your investment. If the money you want to add is not part of these options right here, just click on this plus button and add your own figure right there. Now, that's for the home page. Now, if you come here to where it says save, this is where you can now directly save money on the app. Now, once you come to this page, you see your total savings right here. This is where you see it. And then if you come here to where it says add cash, so this is where you have the option to add some cash or some money to your savings plan. And then the next part is where you see save by myself. So if you want to save by yourself right here, you have it. So you can see right here, this is one plan I created since March of 2022. This is for emergency plan right here. If you want to save for emergency plan. And then if you want to do a general savings, this is it right here. If you want to save for your home, this is it right here. If you want to save for study, if you want to save for car, you also have it right there. So these are different forms of savings that you have on the app. So let's say, for example, you want to go ahead and save by yourself. You want to create a plan. Let me just go ahead and do that. So you come here and click on this plus button. If you click on it right there, you give your plan a name. So let's say, for example, the name is, okay, let me just name it savings right there. And then once you've done that, you come to the bottom side of the screen and click on continue. And then after you've done that, you come here and put in the amount of money you want to save. So let's say, for example, I want to be saving, let's say 100,000 Naira. You put it right there. And once you put in the figure, you click every day or every week or every month. So that means that how do you want to be investing this 100,000 Naira? Is it every day you want to be investing it? Is it every week or is it every month? So if it's every week, I'll just put in every week. So that means every week I want to be saving 100,000 Naira in this plan. And then next thing is to enter the day of the week you want to start. So let's say, for example, I want to be saving it every Monday. I'll just put Mondays right here. If it's every Tuesday or whichever day of the week you want, you pick it right there. So once you've done that, just click on continue. And then the next thing is to pick the duration you want to save for. So do you want to save for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, or let me choose whichever one. So let's, for example, I want to save for 1 year. I'll just click 1 year right there. And you can see the maturity date is September 19, 2026. That's 1 year after this day that I'm making this video. And then you click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, you see the summary of your savings right here. So you can see to tell you the amount you're trying to save, to tell you the interest rate, which is 14% per annum. That's what you'll be getting. To tell you the maturity date. So maturity date means when you'll be able to collect your money back. And then automation means every Monday. Automation means that every Monday they will be automatically removing the money from your account. And then the estimated future account is this. So this is the amount you'll be able to have after 1 year. So after 1 year of saving 100,000 Naira every week, you'll be having 5.5 million Naira in your balance, including your interest. That's it right there. So once you're okay with it, just click on pay 100,000 Naira, and then 100,000 Naira will be saved directly into your savings plan. And then the subsequent one will be every Monday. Don't forget I picked every Monday right here. So the subsequent ones will now be every Monday. I hope you get it. So that's how you can create a savings plan on Cowrywise. It is simple and straightforward. Now, if you scroll up, you see the option that says save with others. So let's say, for example, you want to save with others, or maybe you want to create like a group savings. Then you can do this. Just come here to where it says plus right here, click on it. And then you can see different options. You have football circles. This means that you can save with your fellow football fans. You have basketball circles. This means that you can save with your fellow basketball fans. You have money duo, where you can save with your loved ones. And then you have other circles where you can create or join other circles. So let's, for example, you want to save with your fellow football fans. Just come here to where it says football circles. And right here, you can see different football clubs. So you have Enugu Rangers, Sunshine Stars, Remo Stars, Kano Pillars. You have Enyimba, you have Bayern, you have Juventus, you have Inter Milan, AC Milan, Manchester United, PSG, Barcelona, Real Madrid, Man City, Liverpool, Arsenal, and so on right there. So you'll be able to see the different clubs that you can save with. So once you pick the club you want to save with, let's say you want to save with Bayern now, I'll just click it. For example, you see the number of members in that circle, which is 332, and then you can see the interest rate you'll be getting, which is 16.46%. So once you're good with that, just click on continue, and then right here you can choose how much you want to save per activity. So let's, for example, you want to be saving 1,000 naira per activity. Right there, you click on it. Activity means that you're going to be saving money for every goal that is scored by your team or by that team, and you're going to be saving money for every player they sell or that they buy. That's the meaning. So once you're okay with that, just come here and click on pay 1,015 naira. 15 naira is the processing fee. So once you've done that, it is simple and straightforward. You start saving once they do any of those activities I've mentioned, which is score a goal, buy a player, or sell a player. I hope you understand. So that's exactly how you can save your money on the app. So that's for savings. Now the next category is where you have investment or invest. So you come here and click on invest. So this is where you can invest your money. Now right here is where you can see your naira balance in investment, and if you scroll to the right hand side, you see your dollar balance in your investment. And then this is where you can also add some amount of money to your investment if you want to go ahead and do that. And then you have different investments on the app. If you scroll up, you see that you have NG stocks, that's Nigerian stocks. You can invest in Nigerian stocks on the app. You have Naira mutual funds. You can invest in Naira mutual funds on the app. And you also have dollar mutual funds that you can invest in. You also have fixed dollar plans. So those are the different investment plans that you have on the Cowrywise app. So let's say, for example, you want to go ahead and invest in Nigerian stocks. Just click on it right here, and you'll be able to see the different Nigerian stocks that you can invest in. So these are different Nigerian companies that you can go ahead and invest in on the Cowrywise app. This is simple and straightforward too. Now, if you actually want me to make a dedicated video for this feature on Cowrywise, please let me know in the comment section below. Like, you want me to explain everything about investing in stocks on the Cowrywise app, just let me know in the comment section below. So if you want to go ahead and pick a stock to invest in, let's say you want to invest in Access Holdings, just click on Access Holdings right here. And right now you see that one share of Access is 27 naira right there, which is still cheap. So if you want to go ahead and invest in Access, just come here and click on buy. So if I click on buy, so you can see the market is closed, but the market will be opening in 41 minutes and 1 second. So in case you don't know, the market will open by 10 a.m. So once it's 10 a.m, the market is open, and then I can come here and invest. Don't forget, if you want me to make a dedicated video about how to invest in stocks on the Cowrywise app, let me know in the comment section below. So I'll make sure I make a video on that and show you how to invest money on the app. So I'm just going to hold on that, and I'll make that my next video. So this is where you can go ahead and invest in any Nigerian stock of your choice. Again, you have different options right here. There are different Nigerian stocks on the app right here. So let's go back. So that's for Nigerian stocks. And then you have mutual funds. That's Naira mutual funds. If you click on it, this is where you can invest in Naira mutual funds. So you can see it says own a mix of Nigerian stocks, bonds, treasury bills, and other financial instruments, all on your terms. Now, if you click on it right here, you can see it says manage portfolio and individual mutual funds. So manage portfolio means that you are investing in different mutual funds at the same time, but individual mutual funds means that you are only investing in one mutual fund at a time. That's the meaning. So if you want to invest in manage portfolio, just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see the different categories. You have conservative portfolio. Now, this is for people that you want to preserve your capital while earning returns. Now, balanced portfolio means that you are okay with some risk for potentially greater returns. And then growth portfolio means you have a high risk tolerance and you want potentially higher returns. So let's, for example, you want to invest in this growth portfolio, just click on it. And then you can see right here, in that portfolio, you're going to be investing 60 to 80% in stocks, 20 to 30% in fixed income, and then 0 to 5% in cash. So if you want to go ahead and do that, just come here and click on continue. And right here, you can see it says you have to enter the amount you want to invest. So let's, for example, I want to invest 1 million naira. I'll just put it right there. Then once you enter it, choose your payment method. So once I click on choose payment method, I'll put it, and then that 1 million naira will be taken from my bank account and will be invested in this Naira mutual funds. I hope you understand. So that's for the Naira mutual funds. So let's go back. The next one is where you have the dollar mutual funds. So you can see right here, this is dollar mutual funds. If I click on it, it's also the same thing as the Naira mutual funds, but this one is in dollars. So you can see right here, you are investing in euro bonds and other USD assets, and you earn your returns in dollars. So I'll come here and click on this. So you can see these are the different mutual funds right here for dollar mutual funds. So you can see them right here. So let's, for example, you want to invest in one. Let's say this FSDH dollar fund. Just click on it. And you can see right here, this one is managed by FSDH Asset Management Limited. So if you want to go ahead and invest in that, just come here and enter any amount you want to invest in it. So let's say, for example, you want to invest maybe $2,500. You click on it and then you click on invest now. And then right here, you can see the unit you are investing. This is the unit you are investing, and this is the value in Naira. So you are investing 3.8 million Naira. And then if you want to reinvest your dividend, you turn this on. But if you don't want that, you turn it off. And then you can see yes, turn it off. And then next thing is to come here and choose payment method. So once you choose payment method again, that amount of money will be deducted from your account and will be invested right here for you. So that's for dollar mutual fund. So you can invest in any dollar mutual fund of your choice. Now the next part is where you have fixed dollar plan. So for this one, you have a fixed amount you are earning. So you can see right here, fixed dollar investment, diversify your portfolio, invest and earn returns in dollars. And then it also says invest at a fixed rate and period for predictable returns. So that means this one, you know what you are investing and what you are getting. And then number 3 says experience the peace of mind that comes with capital preservation. So once you've seen all of this, just click on start now. And then you can see where it says how much would you like to invest. So let's say I want to invest $10,000. This is it. If it's $20,000, you click this. If it's $50,000 and above, you click this. So let's, for example, I want to start with $10,000. I'll click on it, this one right here. And then the next thing is to click how long do you want to invest for. So let's say I want to invest for 1 year. I'll just click on 1 year right here. And the interest rate you'll be getting is 6%. So that means you are getting $608 on your money. And it's for 1 year. So you'll be getting your money on September 19, 2026, which is 1 year after making this video. So once you've entered everything, just click on choose payment method 2, and then the money will be taken from your bank account and be invested for you. So it is also as simple as that. So that's for the next form of investment right there. So those are the different investment that you can put in your money and also earn returns on your money. Now, if you come to the bottom side of the screen, you'll see where it says learn. Now, if you click on this learn, this is where you can get resources to learn about different forms of investment on the app. You can see right here, this is a video on how to learn about stock investing. This is a video on January 2025 updates. And then if you come here to where it says have a quick read, this is where you can see like different blog posts. If I click on this to show you the different blog posts that you can read about savings, investing, product update, testimonials, and so on. So you can see different blog posts that can educate you about all of these topics right here. So that's another good thing on the Cowrywise app. And then if you come here to where it says stash, I'll click on it. Right here is where you can have your idle balance. So idle balance means maybe the money you have on your Cowrywise app, but you are not investing. So you can basically put it or keep them in your stash wallet right here. So you can save it in Naira or you can save it in dollar right here. And if you are saving it in Naira, you can actually transfer the money from your stash to your savings plans or your Naira investment or your dollar investment. So that is it right there. So that's basically how you can save, invest, and make money on the Cowrywise app. It is also simple and straightforward. Now, don't forget, if you want me to make a dedicated video on how you can invest in Nigerian stocks on Cowrywise, please let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely make a dedicated video for that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.